Welcome to our exploration of innovative wooden space-saving furniture ideas. In today's fast-paced world, where living spaces are shrinking, the need for clever furniture solutions has never been more urgent. Join us as we delve into the realm of woodcraft and ingenuity, uncovering a treasure trove of designs that maximize functionality without sacrificing style. Let's start with the versatile convertible sofa bed. Crafted from durable wood frames, these pieces seamlessly transform from comfortable seating during the day to cozy sleeping quarters at night. Perfect for small apartments or studio living, they offer the dual benefits of comfort and space optimization. Next up, we have the foldable dining table, a savior for those challenged by limited dining space. Constructed from lightweight yet sturdy wood, these tables can easily be folded away when not in use, reclaiming valuable floor space. Paired with matching foldable chairs, they create an elegant dining ensemble that adapts to various occasions. Modular shelving units redefine versatility in the world of interior design. Made from interlocking wooden components, these units offer customizable configurations to suit your storage needs. Whether used as bookcases, display cabinets, or room dividers, they evolve with changing spatial requirements, providing both form and function. For those working from home or studying in tight quarters, wall-mounted desks are a game changer. Crafted from sleek wooden panels, these desks provide a designated workspace without taking up valuable floor space. Equipped with integrated storage compartments and cable management solutions, they facilitate organization in a clutter-free environment. Nesting tables embody the principle of less is more in space-saving design. Consisting of a set of tables in graduated sizes, they can be neatly stacked together when not in use, occupying minimal space. Whether serving as coffee tables, side tables, or occasional seating, nesting tables offer versatility without compromises. Last but not least, we have the Murphy bed, a classic space-saving solution with a modern twist. Crafted from quality wood, these beds seamlessly fold into the wall when not in use, freeing up precious floor space. Paired with integrated storage compartments, they offer a stylish yet practical solution for maximizing space in any home. Modern space-saving furniture combines functionality with aesthetics, offering innovative solutions for modern living spaces. From convertible sofas to wall-mounted desks, these designs demonstrate the endless possibilities of woodcraft in optimizing living space. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration. Stay tuned for more inspiring ideas to elevate your living experience.